No matter what is the reason, we can drink our tea hot or cold. It's a tasty way of getting enough fluids in your body. But as you know, tea is capable of doing much more than that. Tea has many beneficial compounds, but most important are catechins and tannins. These are polyphenolic biomolecules, which have tremendous health benefits, ranging from weight loss to cancer protection. If you are an avid tea drinker, you must be having a heap of used tea bags, or most likely you are just throwing them in the trash. Here are some unique ways you can use used tea bags for your benefits. Number 1. You can soothe tired eyes. Due to many reasons, you can develop puffiness under your eyes. This is a sign of eye strain and can be easily cured by using a tea bag. Just keep chilled tea bags over your closed eyes and let it be there for 5 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, you can also keep warm tea bag over your closed eyes to cure pink eyes. Number 2. Soothe and heal your canker sores. Just chill your tea bag in the freezer and keep it over your canker sore. The cold compress will soothe the pain, and the polyphenols present in the tea will promote healing of your canker sore. Number 3. Heal sunburn. Put some used tea bag in your bathtub and let it steep. Stay in this bathtub for some times, and you will feel the cool and calm effect of tea working on your sunburn. Number 4. Stop bleeding from nicks and cuts. Many times we can get nicks and cuts in the kitchen while chopping vegetables. Kids may also get minor cuts while playing. No need to panic though. Just dip a tea bag in warm water and press it on the cut until bleeding stops. Tannins in the tea are very effective in stopping the bleeding. Moreover, it also has antibacterial effects. Number 5. Heal minor bruising. Kids like to play outside, and when they play, they get minor bruising. Next time you see one, just don't worry. Place a chilled tea bag over the bruise for 10 to 15 minutes. Cold temperature and tannins have a synergistic effect in constricting the capillaries, which are causing the bruising. Number 6. You can fertilize your plants. You can fertilize your houseplants with used tea bags. Open up the used tea bags and spread tea leaves into the soil in their pots. It will slightly lower the pH level and also provide your plants with some nutrition and minerals. Number 7. You can kill dust mite. Put your used tea bags in boiling water and make tea. Now, using a spray bottle, spray this tea on your carpet. It will kill all your dust mites. If you do it regularly, it will make it difficult for dust mites to come back. Just make sure to test it at the corner before spraying all over. Number 8. Rust-proofing your cast iron cookware. It's very easy. After every cooking session, just wipe off the cookware with a damp used tea bag. Make sure it's a black tea. Tannins present in the tea makes an anti-rust layer over your cast iron cookware and protects it from rusting. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.